Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Ditmala Porwal. I live in Indore. I am 39 years old. I completed my education in Manasa, Nimas district. I had done MCom. I live in joint family. I have a son. He studies in class 9. Today I am very happy to join English class of Seema ma'am. From a long time, I wanted to learn English speaking course because English is a very demandable language, and in many places we need to speak in English. So I want to speak English fluently, but I could not attend any classes. Finally, in this lockdown, I got advantage to learn English speaking course. Since I joined the class, I improved my grammar skill. Today I make many sentences in English. Now I can talk to my son in English. Now I would prefer to talk in English. Really, it is a very great experience, and everybody should do learn English speaking course. We had better to learn advanced course. I would like to say thank you, ma'am. Really, you are a very great teacher, and I am very happy to meet you. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Anamika Sharma from Bangalore. I would like to say something about myself. Basically, I belong to MP Khandwa city. I have done my education from Khandwa. I born and brought up in MP. I am an entrepreneur. I work with international company which is based in London, and therefore I have to learn English to speak with them. That's why I have joined these classes 2 months back, and I want to clear my concept of grammar. Seema ma'am, she is very good teacher. She teaches in very easy way, and I learn many things from her. I would like to say thank you so much, Seema. You are the best teacher in my life, and you are the best teacher ever. Thank you so much.
इंग्लिश में बोलूं, मैं अपने बाप को इंग्लिश में एक्सप्रेस करूं, मैं कुछ सेंटेंस को छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करती थी, तो मुझे नहीं आता था। मुझे बड़ा अपने आप को ऐसा लगता था कि यार मैं ये छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस भी नहीं बना पा रही हूँ, मैं कब करूंगी, क्या करूंगी। मैंने कई क्लासेस ज्वाइन करी अपनी लाइफ में, इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लासेस, बट मुझे वहां से उतना पूरा फुल सपोर्ट नहीं मिल पाया। सडनली मैंने एक बार जब आपका फेसबुक में, हेलो,
yes, I can listen you. Yeah.
यस मैम, यस मैम, तो सडनली मैंने आपका फेसबुक में प्रोमो देखा था, एफपी पर मैंने आपका देखा था, फिर मैंने सोचा मैं का गंगराड़े हैं तो एक बार मैं ट्राई करती हूँ। मैंने एक बार आपका जब ट्राई किया, मैंने आपसे कॉल किया था मैम, आपको याद होगा, यू रिमेम्बर इट, कि आपसे जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बात करी थी, पहला तो मुझे आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा था। फिर आपने मुझे ये लाइन बोला था कि 15 दिन के अंदर तुम बोलने लग जाओगे। मुझे ये अच्छे से याद है, 15 दिन सिर्फ मुझे दे दो पूरे फुल कॉन्फिडेंस से और कंटिन्यू, 15 दिन के अंदर अंदर तुम बोलने लग जाओगे। और टच वुड मैम, रियली, मतलब मैं आज आई कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, बट आई couldn't now at a time.
Kanika is not feeling good from last 3-4 days. Still she came. I told her that you should sit and just listen us. But still I gave her chance and she tried her best.
सब अच्छा लगता है मैम, इतना अच्छा लगता है जब मैं अपने बच्चों की बुक्स ओपन करती हूँ। मुझे वो जो सेंटेंसेस पहले तो समझ में आता था, हम पढ़ा सकते थे, हम बता भी देते थे मैम, हम अपने हिसाब से उनको एक्सप्रेस कर देते थे, उनके सेंटेंस को समझा देते, बट अब हमें पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस का मीनिंग समझ में आता है। डेट वाइज जैसे डू डज लगा है तो क्यों लगा है, कैन लगा है, कुड लगा है, वुड लगा है, वुड हैव क्यों लगा है, तभी पर्टिकुलर चीज की एक लाइन का एक सेंटेंस समझ में आता है, फिर हम उसको वो क्लियर करते हैं, हमें इतना फील गुड फीलिंग होती है, इतना अच्छा लगता है मैम उस समय कि यार सच में रियली मैम आप पहले क्यों नहीं मिल गए, तो आज हमारा फ्लुएंट हो जाता। रियली मैम यू टू गुड मैम, यू टू गुड, मतलब रियली आज के टाइम पे हम आपको बोल सकते हैं हैप्पी मदर्स डे।
Thank you.
आज के दिन आप हमको
Thank you so much.
ऐसे विश मांगा था, ऐसे विश मांगा था कि एक टाइम हो हम इंग्लिश में बोलना चालू करें, और आज I can speak in English.
And you could in future. Right now, if you could not, but in future you could speak fluently. Okay. और दूसरी चीज एक कनिका ने जो अभी कही, जरूरी नहीं है कनिका को कहीं वर्क करने नहीं जाना है ना, यू वुड लाइक टू बी अ फोन मेकर लाइक दैट, बट स्टिल हर मदर की ये नीड है अभी कि हम अपने बच्चों को घर में तो हम एटलीस्ट उनकी स्टडीज को देख पाए कि स्कूल में क्या पढ़ाई हुई है, ऑनलाइन भी चल रहा है तो टीचर्स क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो कॉन्सेप्ट यदि आपकी ग्रामर के क्लियर है तो आप उनकी पढ़ाई को देख सकते हैं, उनको समझ सकते हैं। अभी हमें ट्यूटर्स नहीं मिल पाते हैं तो हम छोटे छोटे जो चीजें हैं उसको क्लियर कर सकते हैं अपने बच्चों की। तो ये बेनिफिट भी, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें अपने बाहर निकल करके जॉब करना है, इंटरव्यू फेस करना है इसीलिए इंग्लिश सीखना है। घर में अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने लिए, जैसे मैंने शुरू में भी कहा, और जिनके बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं उनको भी अपने आप को बच्चों के साथ अपडेट करने के लिए तो बहुत सारी हमारी आवश्यकताएं है कि क्यों हम इंग्लिश। तो थैंक यू सो मच कनिका, थैंक यू सो मच। और आपने और आप शुरू से ये बोलती आ रही हैं और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस जरूर करेंगी, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है।
यस मैम।
क्योंकि जो आउटपुट मैं आप लोगों की डेली क्लासेस पे देखती हूँ वहां से भी मैं समझती हूँ कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छा मुझे रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप पढ़ रहे हैं। ओके, someone is asking something. Yes, Geeta ma'am, would like to say something. Yes, Geeta ma'am.
Say something about Kanika. Your voice is so lovely. Actually, I love it. Your voice too much. ना आपके बोलने की स्टाइल जो है ना वो गजब की है, बहुत प्यारी लगती है। लगता है जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा बोल रहा है। कमेल का। Okay, Seema ma'am.
Yeah. So everyone, as you know that Geeta ma'am is name just come at front, but I would like to say you something. As you know, some of you have advertised about those who are my Facebook friends. They know that I have won Best Global Teacher Award and Teachers Ambassador Award. Okay, so I found Geeta ma'am over there. She is also Ambassador Awardee. She won the Best Ambassador Teacher Award here on 26th of December 2020. So we all should clap for her. समझेंगे वी आर बेस्ट कि बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग मेरे साथ कनेक्ट हुए हैं और सभी लोग मेरे एमपी से और मेरे सिटी टाउन के आसपास से नहीं बल्कि सब बहुत दूर दूर से हैं। जैसे गीता मैम वाराणसी से हैं और अनामिका पूना में है, स्मृति दीदी नागपुर में रहती है, कनिका जोधपुर में रहती है ना। सभी लोग आउट ऑफ एमपी से हैं और मुझसे कनेक्टेड है। तो मैं अपने को ब्लेस्ड महसूस करती हूँ कि मैं इतने अच्छे अच्छे लोगों से आज कनेक्टेड हूँ और सब लोग मेरे से इस तरह जुड़े हुए हैं और मुझे इतना प्यार देते हैं। So thank you so much. So over to Geeta ma'am. Continue.
Okay, thank you, Seema ma'am. First, I would like to wish all mothers, those who are present here, a very happy Mother's Day to you all. Hello, Seema ji, and
Yes.
all my dear friends. Myself, Geeta Singh. My birthplace is Ranchi, Jharkhand. After marriage, I belong from Gazipur, UP. At present, I lived in Varanasi. By profession, I am a teacher in CBSE school where spoken English is necessary for all teachers, even Hindi and Sanskrit teachers also. So, as a Hindi teacher, I started to speak English with little sentences with my students and my friends, but not confident to speak everywhere, every place. A big hesitation to conversing other teachers, those who are conversing in English. Sometimes I feel very guilty also. But slowly I was improving my spoken English and thought that if I join any coaching or training center, I must do it. But conditions does not allow me to join these coaching centers because of heavy fee. After that, I met Seema ji, where she teaches spoken English with low cost. Now I have learned so many concepts in this class. I hope within a few months I will be perfect in my spoken English. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Seema ma'am.
You spoke very well, very nicely. Actually, I would like to see you all that Geeta ma'am is a Sanskrit teacher. It's compulsory to speak in English in our school because she is teaching in a CBSE school. And we all know that it is compulsory in CBSE and private schools that too. Every teacher must speak in English because if teacher will speak in English, then she will give the atmosphere or this to these students to speak and converse in English. So Geeta ma'am has taken this decision to join my classes and now she could be able to speak very nicely and I appreciate her very well. Okay, Neha, over to you. Say something about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, I would like to wish to everyone Happy Mother's Day. Hello, everyone. My name is Mrs. Neha Kale. I am from Burhanpur, MP. I am a homemaker and a teacher. I am an aspirant of banking exam also. In my family, apart from my in-laws, I have a daughter, a 3 years old daughter. Yes, ma'am. When I joined in this class, my confidence आया थोड़ा सा बोलने का, क्योंकि इसके पहले मैंने कई क्लासेस ज्वाइन की है, इंदौर में भी मैंने 2-3 क्लासेस अटेंड किए, बट मैं नहीं, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ पाया था, मतलब मुझे सेंटेंसेस में बना लेती थी, ट्रांसफर कर लेती थी, थोड़ा सा बोल नहीं पाती थी। तो मैम अभी मैं क्लासेस लेती हूँ बच्चों की, तो उसमें मुझे थोड़ा मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस लगता है कि मैं बच्चों के साथ इंग्लिश में इंटरेक्ट कर पाती हूँ।
Okay, very good.
Hello Sima ma'am. Hello everyone. I'm Payal Jain from Khandwa. I am a housewife. I have a 2 child. I am doing online business also. I wish always from many years to speak fluent English. That has two reasons. First, personally I like study very much and I realize that English talking is must. If I survive with people in the world, I should know this language because English is a global language. I was imagine ourselves that I'm speaking everywhere in English, but that was only an imagination. I feel very bad when someone is talking with me, someone spoke with me in English, and I used to Hindi. I feel very awkward. But what we say that what we think is complete one day or other. Finally, I got a better platform learning with English. Seema ma'am taught me very easy and simple way. You clear my all concepts of grammar. You create confidence in me. I'm very lucky I have a teacher like you. You teach me very nicely, ma'am. Before joining the class, I was very hesitate to speak in English. And just because of not able to speak in English, my confidence in everywhere called off. But now, just because of you, ma'am, I'm prepared and able to talk English with anywhere, with anyone. I don't speak much about you, ma'am, but just I want to say, ma'am, as a teacher, you are really very good teacher. And as a human being, you are a very kind and nice person. Thank you, ma'am.
So much, Payal, for your appreciation, your love, and all. So everyone would like to say something. Yes, Sonal. Thank you, Payal, once again. Yes, Sonal. Unmute yourself and come.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sonal. I'm from Mumbai. I am a homemaker. I have two kids. I have one daughter and one son. My daughter is 11 years old. To improve my English, I understand English, but I can't confidence in someone. I can't speak in English, but I understand all things. I teach my kids. I have one dream. I speak fluently English in the future. That's why I join your classes. I'm very happy to you. I got to know your classes about my cousin sister. That's why I'm joining your class. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, continue.
First of all, I wish you all happy Mother's Day. And first of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sujata Sharma. I am living in Indore. I am basically belongs to Khandwa, but at present settled in Indore. I did my post-graduation from Sagar University in Criminology and Forensic Science. I have a girl child named Janvi Sharma. I am a homemaker. I have joined class because I want to improve myself, my personality and speaking skills. I'm enjoying it. And thanks, Seema. Seema ma'am, you are the best teacher. You are teaching us in a very simple and very easy way. Thank you. और सीमा मैम मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ, you are looking very sweet and beautiful in sari.
Thank you. Okay, nice, very nice. Thank you so much.
My name is Neha Gohia Mehra. I am from Khandwa and I am live in Nanded, Maharashtra. I am a homemaker and I am a student. I have done my BSc nursing and I am doing pharmacy. I am preparing for competitive exam. I have joined an English spoken classes because I want to speak in English and upgrade myself. I would like to thank Stuti. She gave me your number. I have tried learn before, but I could not. Your teacher is wonderful. I am enjoy your classes every day, ma'am. I have not got a teacher like you in my life. If I would have got, so I could have spoken English before. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I love you.
Thank you, Neha. Okay, so next I would like to invite Shweta.
Hello everyone, I'm Shweta from Bhopal. I live at Bhopal. I am a housewife. I have two daughters. So there is a one question of ma'am that how you join the speaking classes. Okay. So I would like to join the class for my daughter. She is a elder daughter. She is in 6th standard. So I can help her study. And in today's world, it is very necessary to speak the English in our society. And for our kids, there is a very necessary to speak the English. जैसे कि मैम आपने कहा है कि बच्चों के लिए हम वो तो बड़े हो जाएंगे, लेकिन उनके लिए हमको भी अपने आप को ग्रो करना है. So that's why I can join the class, speaking class.
Thank you so much, Shweta, and you express your views. And I would like to say that Shweta has also joined before few days. I think 4 or 5 days she has joined the classes, and I appreciate her zeal of learning.
Ma'am, I am Muskan Parwal. I live in Indore. I am 13 years old. I am a student on class 9th A learner. I have to join English spoken classes because I like to speak English and I want to improve my English. Seema ma'am, you teach very easy. I enjoy the learning. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. I am from Chanera. I am study 7th class. I like English and I improve my English. And I am improve my spoken English. Yeah.
Okay. So she is also a new learner and she is living in Chanera near Harsut. And she also gave her enthusiasm of learning. So I appreciate her. I appreciate all these students as well as all and mothers and all age group people, those who are joining my classes and appreciating my teaching style and all. Thank you so much and love you all. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आज का इंटरेक्शन प्रोग्राम. आप सबको कैसा लगा मुझे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे लिखकर बताएंगे सभी. और हम सब एक दूसरे से मिलकर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सभी को देखकर यहाँ. और आप लोगों ने देखा होगा हम दूर दूर से अलग अलग स्टेट से टाउन से यहाँ पर लर्नर्स हैं मेरे साथ में. और I feel myself blessed to see you all. Thank you so much everyone. Till the time, keep practicing and have fun. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, Seema. Thank you.
Thank you so much.